Number 1.
1970 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, classic pickup finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a timeless vintage appearance. It is equipped with a reliable 350 SBC V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The truck also features a durable 12-bolt rear end with 3.73 gears, making it well suited for both cruising and everyday driving. Running on gasoline, the C10 starts, runs, and drives well, offering solid overall performance for its age. It retains its original style drum brakes on both the front and rear. As expected from a classic truck, it does have an oil leak along with a few scratches and minor dings around the body, but these imperfections do not take away from its character.
Number 2.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $9,800. This truck is in excellent condition and has been exceptionally well maintained. It has only 122,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a reliable 4.0L V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck features a silver exterior with a clean gray interior, both of which have been well cared for. It runs and drives great with no mechanical issues, and the 4WD system works exactly as it should. Power windows and power door locks add convenience, while the air conditioning blows ice cold and the heater works perfectly. The interior is in great shape with no cuts or rips in the seats. The truck comes with a clean Washington title in hand and is ready for its next owner. It has always been well kept, regularly maintained, and is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable, capable, and clean Ford Ranger.
Number 3.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $6,800, equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a black interior, giving the truck a unique and eye-catching appearance. Powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine with an automatic transmission, this S10 has received numerous new parts and runs and drives well. It features shaved taillights, true ROH wheels, a custom 3-link suspension setup, and a sliding ragtop.
The ragtop does not leak, although the installation could have been done better.
Please note that the truck is currently not equipped with shocks, the air conditioning blows cold, the heater works properly, and the truck is enjoyable to drive. The paint is best described as a 10/20ths footer, but custom graphics have been added to enhance its overall appearance. It consistently attracts attention and receives compliments wherever it goes. The audio system includes two 12-inch subwoofers powered by a 2,500-watt amplifier.
Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet C10, price $7,300. This truck has traveled 116,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior and is powered by a dependable gasoline engine. The truck has been completely redone and serves as an excellent daily driver or a stylish weekend cruiser. It comes equipped with both cold air conditioning and hot heat for year-round comfort. Stepping into this classic C10 feels like traveling back to the era of big hair and mullets. Under the hood, it features a performance camshaft and long tube headers that deliver an aggressive exhaust note loud enough to make a bald eagle land on your shoulder. With numerous new parts recently installed, this truck is well maintained, reliable, and ready for its next owner to enjoy as a dependable daily driver or an eye-catching weekend cruiser.
Number 5.
1996 Ford F-150, price $8,000. It has 145,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a clean gray interior and the truck comes with a strong running 5.0L V8, an automatic transmission, and a convenient push-button 4x4 system, making it well suited for both daily driving and off-road adventures. It is also equipped with air conditioning for added comfort. The body has very little rust, and the frame is solid, reflecting its well-maintained condition. It has been upgraded with newer suspension brackets throughout, including front coil spring buckets, along with new shocks for improved ride quality. The truck rides on new General Grabber A/T tires sized 33x 12.50 or 15, providing excellent traction and a rugged appearance.
Number 6.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck has 171,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission. It features a green exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with a capable 4x4 drivetrain, making it well suited for both daily driving and tougher road conditions. Originally from the western United States, this truck is rust-free and has been well preserved for its age. The truck runs and drives great, delivering the performance and reliability that these classic Chevrolet pickups are known for. It does have a few scratches and dents consistent with normal use, all of which are clearly shown in the photos, allowing buyers to see its condition honestly. Despite these minor cosmetic imperfections, the truck remains solid, dependable, and ready to be driven or used as a reliable work truck.
Number 7.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. It has only 116,000 miles, making it exceptionally low mileage for its age. It is equipped with a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Finished in a gold exterior with a matching gold interior, this all-original truck has been well preserved and is completely rust-free. It comes equipped with power windows, power locks, and other factory features, while the interior remains in excellent condition. The truck starts, runs, and drives great, making it an excellent candidate for a full restoration with very little work required. The only known issue is that once the engine reaches operating temperature, the transmission begins to shift improperly and likely needs a sensor replacement.
Number 8.
1988 Dodge Dakota, price $9,950. This truck has traveled only 56,903 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a classic red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving the truck an attractive and well-maintained appearance. According to the seller, the truck has received several important maintenance updates, including the replacement of all belts, hoses, and seals to help ensure dependable performance. It also comes with 4 brand new tires, a new battery, and a new radiator, reducing the need for immediate maintenance and making it ready for its next owner. The title has already been transferred into the seller's name, allowing for a smoother and more straightforward registration process for the new buyer.
Number 9.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $6,950. This truck has only 16,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a matching blue interior. It is powered by a professionally rebuilt 350 Ci V8 engine from 43 Hot Rods and Spencer and runs, drives, and stops great. The truck has been a reliable daily driver and features working heat and cold AC. Recent updates include a new battery, alternator, wiper motor and arms, rear drum brakes, gauges, fuel tank strap, sending unit, fuel gauge, muffler, serviced carburetor and choke, a newer starter motor, and tires with plenty of tread remaining. It also has a solid bed with a bed liner and a solid frame, making it a well-maintained classic pickup ready for its next owner.
Number 10.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $2,650. This truck is powered by a dependable V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and has 233,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a classic green exterior with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been well maintained and remains in great overall condition. The body and paint are in excellent shape for its age, and the interior is exceptionally clean, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It also comes equipped with a soft-top canopy, providing added versatility and protection for hauling cargo or outdoor gear. The truck offers dependable 4x4 capability, making it well suited for daily driving, weekend adventures, or light off-road use.